Hi everybody, it's me, Drifty Owls and Zero. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but there was this question on the Tamagotchi Dreamtowns about the sound quality. I love mine, don't get me wrong, I'm glad I got them, but the sound's kinda off. My other Tamagotchi doesn't have this problem, this one does. So I'm gonna play the pink one for a little bit, show you the sound, and then I'll do the blue one. Please forgive me for the blurriness. It's my POS phone. So like the yeah with the I need to reconnect with them. But that's the pink one. Here's my blue one. Thank you, Tom. Aiming for different adults. 18th generation all the way. See how it's different between the pink and the blue? I find that odd. Now when I try my other tamas, that's a descriptive piece, for example. Yeah, I have the same sound. Let's try 17. Now it's like the IDLs. Oops. See? Same sound quality. They're all equal. Let's try something older. My older timers. Did you decide? Try to read these first. Now my P2s. See? All equal. But yet, these two don't. I don't know why. Is it the fact that they'll probably shouldn't be made? Or what? But really? Bandai, you need to work on this. I know you guys like, there's rumors out saying that there should be a US release for the colors. And if that's true, please make it to where they don't sound like this. They should be sounding like the same. Well, that's all for now. Ta-ta.